हाल्यो विचेटाव initial static don't hide the defect, find the defect.
Without a pre-ponding test, hidden defects like this slab leakage go completely unnoticed, creating initial static ponding test, 75 mm water depth, minimum 48 hours. Inspect before you cover. Don't hide the defect, find the defect. A systematic surveillance inspection must check bore packing, honeycombs and coving before waterproofing can begin.
Pre-ponding accepted, zero leakage.
Final static ponding test, 72 hours. Shortcut leads to leakage. Correct sequence ensures zero leakage.
Quality icons. Construction quality, QC,